In this video, we're going to be talking about new YouTube settings that will help you gain exposure on all the different social media platforms right after this. So what's really cool about this new settings that we just did on repurpose.io is that we have a lot more customization with our YouTube source to other social media platforms. What I mean by this is before, we didn't really have too much control between the title and the description for where our YouTube content is going. Now, when you have workflows set up from YouTube to something else, for example, this one is YouTube to LinkedIn, you can go to the settings icon on the right side and you will see a lot of different customization settings, obviously. So you can check the video style that was already there. You can do an intro and outro file, but right here is some things that we just added. So you can exclude unlisted videos that we already had. You can exclude YouTube shorts because this is long form, this workflow. We already had that. But right here is where you can use YouTube title instead of description when posting. So what's nice about this is that for certain platforms such as like Pinterest are more search based, right? So if you want your title to be, you are going to want to focus on that. And so like, for example, if this was to be a YouTube to Pinterest, you'd probably want to use YouTube title and make the title searchable so that people can find it. Whereas if you're wanting to do YouTube to Instagram, you probably don't want to have that because you want the description on the YouTube video to go to the description or the caption on Instagram. So we have a lot more different customizations that we can do to make it a lot more suitable for the platform that we're sending it to. So for example, YouTube to LinkedIn, I will probably not want it to be the title. I'd rather have it be the description of my YouTube video. So that way, whatever I use in the description, describing the video, what it does, what they're going to learn, that will be on LinkedIn because it's more suitable for that platform. Whereas if I go to YouTube Shorts to TikTok, you may want to have that use the title. Then again, even with TikTok, you probably want to have the description because they made the descriptions longer. But again, I think the big scenario would be if you wanted to go to create a new workflow and you wanted to do let's do YouTube Shorts to Pinterest. This is where I think the title would be extremely important because you don't want to have a huge description on Pinterest. No one will be able to find that, right? So you go to choose a source type, you do YouTube, and then you can choose your playlist if you want to, choose a video type. I'll do YouTube Shorts because I want to put it on Pinterest, right? So choose a YouTube video type, you do next. And then you do choose an action, you do upload video, and then you want to do the full video, and then choose a destination you want to do Pinterest. And then you can choose a board. I could like to do make money online or something like that. Obviously you can do books, you can do whatever your niche is. And then you can create a new folder if you want to. I'm not going to. And then you press done. So now the workflow is just completed. It took about maybe 20 seconds. We go down here and it says YouTube to Pinterest. And so you can select it to be auto, or you can do it manually. You can view the content here if you really want to, but here's where we go to the little settings icon and want to do the original video, no resizing, exclude unlisted videos. And I like to put only import YouTube Shorts because we want it to just be short form content on this workflow. But then for this one, I don't want the description to go over to Pinterest, right? That's not very searchable, like we said. So you want to use YouTube title instead of description when posting. And then you can also do you can put in Pinterest links. This is what I think Pinterest is actually beautiful in, whereas like many other platforms, they don't let you use links. You're definitely going to want to use your Pinterest link in there. And then I like to get notified whenever there's a successful publish. So you just press save on that. Then we can go back into this workflow. We can do view content. We can schedule them if we want to. We can set it to auto if we want to. But now instead of it being whatever the YouTube description is, the title is the only thing that will be going to Pinterest. So it'll be how to automate your social media posts in minutes. So I can go ahead and schedule that one. And if you haven't already, you can definitely auto-generate descriptions using our AI, which is beautiful. And if you don't like the title that you had from your YouTube video for Pinterest, you can obviously auto-generate title as well. So there you have it. We have our AI take the new title and master the art of social media automation, discover how in minutes. You can put your link right here. And then you can publish it now, or you can just schedule it in the future. So if we go to December, we can go ahead and pick a day, pick a time, and schedule content. So I'll just schedule it right now. So it's already scheduled. So now you can kind of see how important these settings are when you're customizing your workflows. We really love to give you as the user all the keys to the kingdom as far as like creating your content workflow and getting the most out of repurpose.io. Let me know if you have any questions about this new update. We love your feedback. Let me know if you want to see any other kind of tutorial videos moving in the future. Thanks so much, and we will see you guys in the next video. Check out this video where you can learn how to double your views with YouTube Shorts.